Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Engineering Needs. I am MD Monir Hussain, ID 1716020, Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. Today, the topic of our discussion is electric field. Let's see what is electric field. The electric field is the region around the charged particle within which the other charges experience the force of attraction or repulsion. Here we can see the same charges repel and the opposite charges attract. Let's see how the force of attraction and repulsion occur between the charges. This happens because of electric field. Some kind of force are present around the charge. If we are placing any other charge in the field, so that charge experience of the force of attraction or repulsion. So the force that induces because of the magnitude of the unit charge, that force is called the electric field. The electric field is represented by some imaginary lines. Now let's talk about the direction. The field of the positive charge particle are going outwards and the field of the negative charge are moved in the inward direction. There is a specific reason for that. As we know, the positive charge repel the test charges and the negative charge attract the test charges because the test charge is always positive. Magnitude of electric field. Let us assume that we have a unit charge particle. Another charge particle Q is placed near to that. Because of this unit charge, an electric field induces around this region. The magnitude of the field can be calculated by this expression, where R is the distance between these two charges and Q is the magnitude of the unit charge. Now, if we place this unit charge in the electric field, it will experience the force of attraction or repulsion. So, the force can be calculated by this expression. Here, again R is the distance between these two charges and Q is the magnitude of these two charges, and this is the constant value. As I mentioned before, the electric field is represented by the electric field lines. These electric field lines have some properties. The first is field line never intersect each other. Secondly, the field is strong when the lines are close together and it is weak when the field lines move apart from each other. The third one is the number of field lines is directly proportional to the magnitude of the charge. The fourth properties of electric field line is the electric field line starts from the positive charge and ends from the negative charge. The line curves are continuous in charge-free region. And the last one is if the charge is single, then they start or end at infinity. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video.